To check your account balance on Stockperks, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform easily to find your balance. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Stockperks website or open the app. Enter your username and password to log into your account securely. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Locate the account balance section. On the dashboard, look for the section labeled account balance or similar. This section typically displays your current balance prominently. Step 4. Review your balance. Take a moment to review your account balance. This will show you the total amount available in your Stockperks account. Step 5. Log out safely. After checking your balance, remember to log out of your account, especially if you're using a public or shared device. This ensures your account remains secure. Now you know how to check your account balance on Stockperks. Following these steps will help you manage your investments effectively.